Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use the software tool associated with our products UHF Desktop Reader Writer Hardware 4210U and UHF Handheld Reader 4211U. At first, you have to download the software file from our official website www.jence.com. In the search option, type UHF Reader. Then you will find both of our products in the suggestion. Click any of these to go to the product page. In the product page, after expanding the show more, in the bottom, you will find the link for downloading the SDK. Click on these to download the zip file of the software tool. It will take few moments. After the download, unzip the folder. Here I am unzipping the folder. Then go to the demo folder. Inside the demo folder, there is an application file, j4210u.exe. If you run this application file, two command prompt windows will pop up. Now connect the UHF hardware with the computer through USB cable and find the COM port inside the device manager. Here the COM port is COM16. Inside the jence UHF app window, at first click on the refresh button. Then the COM16 will appear in the port option. Select COM16. And finally click on the connect button to connect the software with the hardware. This UHF software tool can directly detect UCode 8, Monza 4Q1, Monza R6P, Monza 4D, HIX3, Impinj M730, Monza R6 UHF RFID chips. Apart from these chips, it can read other unknown chips as well. This software tool can detect several tags or cards at a time. If you use UHF Desktop hardware, in that case, place UHF tags on the hardware device and click on the scan button inside the software. The software tool will scan the cards. If you use UHF Handheld Reader, click on the Scan On trigger button inside the software. Now if you press the button of the UHF Handheld Reader, it will scan any UHF tags near the reader. When the software tools scan cards or tags, we will see the EPC, electronic product code of those cards inside the Inventory tab. In this tab, there is Merge option. If we click on this button, it will store the previous card information along with new card while scanning the new card. In non-merge mode, each time we scan new card, we can only see that card's information. Information of the previous cards are removed from the software during each scan. There is a filter option inside the Inventory tab. If we want to search tag with similar value, such as similar suffix or prefix, we can use this option. At first, we have to give the offset value. We should consider even offset. To elaborate, if you want to search tags with ABCD suffix in it, if these are the EPC nong of two tags with ABCD suffix in it, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are offset values. Offset value must be 2 byte, which means 4 hex values. As we should consider only even offset, and as ABCD value is in 10-11 offset, where 10 is the even, we will write 10 in offset option. And we will write ABCD in data option. And finally, we must check the Use Filter option. Now, if we search with Handheld Reader, we will find tags with ABCD suffix in it. It is very useful to find tags with similar prefix, suffix or values in the large inventories. Now if we double click on the EPC node while the card is in the range of UHF hardware and go to the Memory tab, we will see the inside content of the card such as chip type, total memory, PWD size, EPC size, TID size, and user size. The numbers marked with yellow color are in byte format, others are in bit format. We can alter the EPC and user data here except for TID as it is read-only. After changing the data, we have to click on Write button to save the data. Here I am changing the prefix of EPC to E280 and I am pressing on Write button to save the data. Now, if I scan the card again, you are going to see the card with altered prefix value in it. In this way, we can give similar suffix or prefix or middle value to several tags to search them promptly. There is an Access button inside the Memory tab. If tag is in the inventory and within the range of UHF hardware reader, if we click on this button, it will show the pop-up message tag found in the inventory. If tag is not in the inventory or not within the range of UHF Handheld Reader, it will show the pop-up message tag not found near the reader. In this Info tab, we will get the information of the UHF reader, such as its serial number, max frequency, reader type, band, power, version, minimum frequency, protocol, etc. There is Beep On option inside the Information tab. If we uncheck this option during scan, reader will not produce any sound. And if we check it during a scan, reader will produce beep sound. During check and uncheck, we must press on Write button to save the setting. Now if I scan, the reader will not produce any sound as I have set the setting without beep on. Now I am checking beep on option and pressing on Write button to save this setting. Now if I scan the card, the hardware will produce beep sound. This is how users can easily use this UHF software tool. This software tool is not only user-friendly but also fast. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Contact information is in the description box.